Module 4, Fun Maths with Excel. Big secret. Excel is a giant calculator. Type an equals sign and it does the math for you. Today, a candy shop calculator. Yum. Watch this. Click cell C2. Type equals A2 plus B2. Press enter. Boom, Excel adds them for you. You can use plus, minus, times. That's the asterisk. And divide. That's the slash. 4 math symbols you'll use forever. Plus, minus, asterisk for times, slash for divide. They work just like a calculator, but on your data. Mini project. Build a candy shop calculator. 5 candies, each with a price and a quantity. Use a formula to calculate the total cost. Bonus, add a grand total row. Up next, kid-friendly formulas. Sum, average, min, and max. Get ready to feel like a wizard.